This is HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.
How to install the Samsung Tizen plugin on HOOBS. From the HOOBS dashboard, we want to click on the Plugin tab. Then we will be searching for Samsung. Click on Samsung Tizen. Then click Install. When your pop-up screen appears, just click Install again. Now that the plugin has installed, we will go into the configuration. Next, we will open a web browser and go to hoobs.com. Then we want to go to Resources and Plugin Library. Next, we will search here for the Samsung Tizen plugin. Click on the plugin. So we have the instructions to follow. We will need to go to this URL and we will need to replace the TV IP address with the IP address of your TV. To find an IP address on your network, I will be posting another video, or you can find the IP address directly from your TV. If you are seeing this screen, this means that your TV may work with this plugin. What we want to look for is the UUID. Simply copy and paste the UUID. Now that we have found the UUID, we can return back to the HOOBS configuration. We want to scroll down to Devices, click on the plus button, and here we will name your TV. Under the IP address, we will put in the IP address of the TV. Under the MAC address, we want to enter the MAC address of the TV. Again, you can find this in the separate video I will be making, or you can find this in the TV settings. Next, under UUID, we will be pasting that from the web page, and then we will scroll down to the bottom and click on Save. After you have saved your configuration, then you will want to watch the next YouTube video, which is how to add a TV bridge to Apple Home. After you have paired it with Apple Home, you will be able to use your TV as a remote. In your Home app, it will only show up with the options of on or off.
Thank you for using HOOBS, user-friendly home automation for everyone.